When using templates, most of the time, the compiler can guess or deduce the type of t. For example, over here we're passing two doubles, so the compiler will generate an instance of this function that takes two doubles and returns a double. So if you use the auto keyword here to declare a variable for storing the result, look, the type of result is double. But if you pass two integers here, the type of result will be integer. So the compiler can deduce or guess the type of t. But there are situations where we have to explicitly supply an argument for t. We have to tell the compiler what t represents. For example, what if we pass an integer and a double to this function? The compiler is confused because in this function, both the first and second parameters have the same type. We don't have an implementation where these two parameters have different types. So here, the compiler doesn't know how to generate an instance of this template. It doesn't know whether it should treat these values as integers or doubles. So this is where we need to type angle brackets, and here we explicitly supply an argument for t. For example, we can type double, and now the compiler will treat these values as doubles. So it will generate a function that takes two doubles and returns a double. Now you have seen this syntax many times before. A great example of that is the make unique function. So here we have a generic type argument like int, and this will create a unique pointer to an integer. But now that you understand function templates, everything starts to make more sense to you.